In this video, we took the beater Beamer and put a motor in it, exhaust, and flipped the bumper over. And then we flipped it back. And then we flipped it back. So here's the deal. Due to a sleep-deprived missed shift, the seemingly indestructible M52 engine in Wesley's E34 finally met its end. After a road trip to Emmett, Louisiana, we bought a replacement motor. We planned on videoing the engine swap, but due to our hectic schedules, it just wasn't possible. So we'll pick up here on Wesley's 3-hour trip to my shop. I don't think Nick understands what's actually going to come to his house today. So the deal is, I got the motor in the car, and we decided we're going to run exhaust on the BMW. So I'm driving 3 hours from Starkville, Mississippi down to Hattiesburg, and we're going to put exhaust on the BMW today, and then I'm going to drive it back. But what Nick doesn't know, there's no hood on it, and we decided to flip the front bumper upside down just because. Why not? Well guys, I made it. Didn't get pulled over.
Surprisingly.
Yeah, surprisingly. Drove it with no hood. The bumper was upside down, but we cut it off. No exhaust whatsoever. About to crank it up so you can hear it with no exhaust. Got a weird little float to it. Not quite sure what that is. I think it's got something to do with the O2 sensor being really close to the opening of the exhaust, but
Probably so.
also,
It smells like it's running really rich too, so.
we have a muffler. This might be the most Ricer thing we've ever done.
Definitely.
Definitely the most Ricer thing we've ever done. We've had this muffler for a long time.
I came on my Conquest when I bought it, or came with it. And yeah. I've had it. I was going to throw it away, and I'm like, well, we may need it one day. And the day has finally come.
The day has come. So, without further ado, this is what it sounds like with no exhaust whatsoever through an iPhone mic. It does rev quicker with that flywheel.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Now, time lapse to us jacking the car up. Ow! Ow! I cut myself. Okay. Blade 1 down. You get my gist of what I'm doing now?
Not really. Oh.
Cut that off. Get
I see.
thing out.
So we're going to move the O2 from here where it splits to there. And we'll just run single exhaust out.
Okay, maybe it won't come off there.
Hey, hey, hey.
Perfect.
Messing up my pretty black finish. Told you to.
No, come on.
Look at this nice POV camera. After fooling with the O2 sensor, we then went back to the Conquest and salvaged more exhaust pipe and the cherry bomb glass pack. We then had to decide if we would use the glass pack or go full on Ricer with the fart can.
We have a fart can, which tell you what, for the people who see this video, no matter what we go with, comment what you want. Cherry bomb or fart can?
Cherry bomb or fart can? Old school or ricer?
I don't know. Either way, I still would put it right at the end. Either cherry bomb sticking out of the back or that sticking out of the back.
Hey, I have an idea. Let's take this, stick it up over it, crank the car up, see how loud it is. Then take that, stick it up over it, crank the car up, see how loud it is.
Do that. That's pretty good. Done. Alright, let's see how loud that is.
I'm also going to say it blows it off of there. That it breaks are like, oh,
I felt it in my eardrums. Thanks for the warning, by the way.
You said right.
Alright, dare we even try this?
I'm gonna venture to say that this does absolutely nothing.
No, we won't do a thing. Why don't we just do them both?
That's what I'm saying.
Okay,
I told you.
we'll do them both.
You hadn't even heard the thing wrap all the way up yet, and you were wanting to just go with the fart can.
Okay, so whoever commented either one of these, you were both wrong.
Yes.
We're doing them both.
We're doing them both, and it's still going to be really stupid loud.
Before we built the exhaust system, we wanted to see how loud the car really was, so we used the decibel app on my phone to measure it and compare it to the full exhaust when it was finished.
That's loud.
So apparently my decibel meter only reads to 120, which it peaked that pretty easily. So, since this only goes up to 120, we'll just set a goal for the new exhaust to be less than 120.
It's not going to be less
I really
than
don't
20.
think it's going to do it. So this is the fart can. I turned that mount up, and that fits perfectly with the curve on this stock mount. So a little trimming, a little welding, fit perfect.
While I mounted the fart can at the rear of the car, Wesley welded in a bung for the O2 sensor and mounted the glass pack. Wesley then connected the glass pack to the rear muffler using scrap pipe from the Conquest, while I mounted the bumper in its correct orientation.
Alright. Well, exhaust is done. It is stock manifolds, which are actually pretty flowy, pretty good. Into two pipes for like 2 feet, goes into one pipe, and then it goes into a 2-foot long cherry bomb, and then from there it's straight piped into a fart can. So
now we gotta check the decibels and see how much quieter it is.
Yep.
I'm gonna check it from here where I was, and then I'll check it from back there.
okay, let's see what it sounds like. That's pretty good.
Alright, so this is, with the exhaust. Oh, you guys probably can't hear it because it's a lot quieter than we expected. So we'll put some clips in with it that we got with the GoPro and the Olympus microphone. And it's pretty loud behind the car, but when you're in here, I mean, it's fine.
This with the sunroof open.
Yeah, sunroof open, you know. And we can even talk with the windows open. You know, it's not bad at all, especially just cruising at like 2,000 RPM. So
Yeah.
it's really cool.
But
We hope it spits flame, but I don't know
cut
if it'll
to
happen.
cut the sound footage.
Yes. That's it for this video on the Peter Beamer. The new exhaust is nice. We pretty much nailed it.
It's pretty good to be stuff that came out of that shed over
Yeah,
there.
stuff has been hanging in that shed for 5 years, and with the fart cannon and the glass pack and all, it's pretty bad. But it works good.
It works good, and I don't have to wear earplugs when I drive it anymore. So
It's a good thing.
since it is supposed to be my daily driver.
So if you want to see some more of us or the Peter Beamer, follow us on Instagram at Racing Rejects. We're also on Facebook. You can give us a like on there. You just search Racing Rejects. And if you want to email us, we are theracerejects@gmail.com.
Yep.
Thanks
And
for
if
watching.
If you are a BMW enthusiast and this just appalls you, please send me an email. I'd love to hear about it.
Yeah. And if you want to buy it,
If you want to buy it, $2,000 and it is yours all day long. There's another BMW right back there that I would much rather have.